With luxury comes outstanding comfort, which is what makes driving a Lincoln a uniquely enjoyable experience. Let me explain. For the ultimate in traveling comfort, both the driver and front passenger can adjust their seats for their ideal seating position using the power seat controls located on the door panels. To move the entire seat forward or back, push the horizontal control switch forward or backward. The seat bottom cushion can also be tilted for more versatility. To raise only the front of the seat bottom, lift the front of the same switch up. To lower, press it down. You can also adjust the height of the rear seat cushion by lifting or pressing down on the rear of the switch. The seat back can be adjusted multiple ways for more comfort, either just the upper portion if equipped, or you can move the entire seat back forward or backward. To move the entire seat back forward, push this switch forward and backward to recline. To adjust the upper seat back, press this switch forward to tilt it and back to tilt it backward. Your head restraints also have an adjustment that allows you to raise them up or down or move them forward and backwards, simply by lifting the switch up or down or pushing it forward or backward. Your vehicle may also have a thigh extender feature to help support your legs on long drives. To extend or retract either the left or right thigh extender on the seat bottom, press the front of the corresponding control switch here to extend it and the back to retract. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about the MultiContour seats with active motion. Front seat occupants also have the luxury of lumbar, seat back bolster, and seat cushion bolster adjustment capability. To set each section to your liking, you'll use the adjustment switches on the door panel or touchscreen. To do so using the switches on the door panel, press the up or down arrows to bring up the adjustment screen on your display. They will allow you to scroll through the various lumbar and bolster adjustments. When you find the one you want, either press the plus to increase firmness and the minus to decrease it, or use the touchscreen adjust icons. Or from the home screen, press the setting icon, it's the one that looks like gears, here, and swipe to MultiContour Seats. Then touch the plus or minus on the touchscreen for the section you want to adjust. The driver and front passenger can set their seat to provide either a lumbar massage, which changes the contour of the seat back over the course of the drive, or you can set the seat cushion to give you a gentle rolling active motion massage. To do so, touch the massage button on the touchscreen to bring up controls for the lumbar and seat massage features, or press the seat button on the door to activate it. As soon as the massage feature is activated by touching the massage button, the system will default to alternating massage zones between lumbar and seat cushion massage. To turn off a specific massage zone, simply touch the off button. From the touchscreen, you can also choose which setting you prefer, lumbar only or seat cushion only. You can also set the massage intensity to high, low, or off. The lumbar and cushion active motion will continue for 20 minutes and then automatically turn off. However, you can also stop it at any time by pressing the adjust button or the seat button on the door. To manage the massage feature using the door controls, press the seat massage button on the door panel to turn it on, or hit the massage button on the touchscreen. Then, pressing the up or down arrow buttons allows you to scroll between lumbar or seat bottom massage zones. Pressing the plus or minus buttons increases or decreases massage intensity. Keep in mind, when you turn off your massage feature via the adjust button on the touchscreen or massage control on the door, you'll get a message on your touchscreen. It may take a few seconds from the time you push the button for it to stop and restore the lumbar position to its last setting. So expect a moment or so of continued motion until you actually feel the lumbar stop moving. And if you press the massage button on the door panel or touchscreen before the massage function has had a chance to return to its prior setting, the system will turn the massage function on again. And one more thing, the driver can store all MultiContour seat settings with the seat memory feature for quick recall of your preferred seat position. Just press and hold one of the 3 memory seat buttons to set.